Hi, it's Sandy Parker and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing, it's a haul, of diamond paintings from Treasure Studios Art, plus a giveaway. I hope you'll stay tuned. First thing they sent me was this little lamp, and it has this, oops, upside down because I'm that kind of girl. It has this lovely little tree motif on it, and the outside is yellow. Of course, you get your kit. Okay, here are the diamonds that you get with it. They are really vibrant colors, and they are rhinestoney. That's all of them. And then, if you've never seen one of these lamps before, they're very simple to put together. You have the little light bulbs inside that you just pop through the holes in this, and then you put these covers on them. And then once you've got them in place, you put this in here, then you put your finished diamond painting on top, and you're good to go. And it will either hang or stand, and it is roughly 6 inches at its widest point, and with the feet, it's a little bit over 6 inches tall. So it stands like that, or it hangs, either, it's up to you. So that is the first thing that they sent me. So my first finished project is the tree lamp. And if you've never seen one of these before, it's not a very bright light. And let me see if I can shut off some of my lights so you can see it. It takes 2 AA batteries to light it. Then the next thing is this little set of, I'll call them Christmas ornaments. Really cute little images, and most of the diamonds you get for this are white, but then you do get some reds, and you get some that are shaped like little pear shapes that are multicolored. They're really pretty, see that? And then the ones that are pearlescent are also, they also have a glimmer to the top of them. So they're not just plain pearls, they're glimmery. And that's those. I'm going to be making a card for Christmas with one of these. So, oh, and they also come with gold rope, I call it. It's not, I'm sticking with rope, but that's what it looks like. I don't normally use that because when I do things like this, I cut off the little hole on the top, and then I turn it into an image for a card. Or if you wanted to, you could leave the little hole and turn it into a tag for on your packages, or hang it on a tree. It's, you know, there's a variety of things you can do. These are cardboard. There's, you know, they're a nice weight cardboard. They are, well, the heart is about 2 3/4 inches tall by about the same at its widest point. So what I think I'm going to do with these is some of them I'm going to cut the little loop off the top. See right there? If I just cut that so that it looks basically like this, I'm going to put them on cards. Oh, that one has an extra little diamond on it. I'm going to put them on cards, and I think the ones I'm going to do that with first are going to be the 2 snowflakes, because I think they'd be pretty on a card with maybe a star in the middle. Anyway, that's my thinking. So these are keychains. Let me get that out of the way. These are minion keychains. They even come with googly eyes. My final finished project are the minions, and I thought I would show you how I'm going to finish these off, because I didn't make all of them into keychains. This is the only one that's in a keychain, and by that means I did both sides. I only did one side of these other 3 because I'm going to turn these into refrigerator magnets. My brother-in-law loves minions, and so I thought what I would do is make these 3 the front of his birthday card, and this one would be an inside present so that he can actually turn that into a keychain. Well, you wouldn't have to turn it into it. Use it as a keychain, I guess. So that's those. Okay, next up is a very large painting. And they're Treasure art studios, always their diamond paintings are made by artists. And this one is called Watercolor Flowers. It's 45 by 60, so it's very large. Let me see if I can get it out of here for you, and if I can't, no, I can't. It's taped shut, and I don't really want to take it out. Anyway, I'm going to have Rich insert a photo of it in the top corner. This is what it looks like. It's too little of an image for you to really see it, but it's a very large diamond painting, and it's, I think those are cyclamen? Anyway, that's what I think the kind of flower is. It comes with the tray, 2 waxes, the little spongy thing that you put on this to make it more comfortable to hold. Then it has the single gem. It has, I think that one holds maybe 6. And then it has this one that holds maybe 3 or 4, I would say. Maybe the other one holds more than 6, but I'd say that one probably holds 3 or 4. Then you have these cute tweezers, and they're nice because see how they have more of a surface at the end than regular tweezers? That will make it so that you can pick up diamonds easier than the thin tips that you sometimes get. Sometimes you get a diamond painting and you think, oh, I just can't wait to try that. And this is it. It's also very, very big. At least I think it's very, very big. It feels very, very big. This one is 50 by 50. It's a square. It's called Blooming Lavender. There is the picture of it. If you can see the picture of it, I don't know, but I'll make sure we put a big photo of it right here so you can see it. The good people at Treasure Studio Arts is giving us this mandala painting, diamond painting, to give away as a drawing. And if you've never done diamond painting before, don't let that stop you in registering for the drawing, because I really love this art form and I find it very relaxing, and I think all of you would enjoy it too if you gave it a try. And why not say that you want to register to win this and get something free to try it out? If you don't like it, you don't like it, but it would be nice to have one to try, right? So this one is, it's called, I think it's 30 by 30. Yes, 30 by 30 centimeters. I will put the information about the drawing right here, and make sure that you follow the directions on it. And basically I'm just going to have you say I'd like to win the mandala diamond painting, and I will send you an email asking you to send me your mailing address when I have chosen the winner, and I'll put the date of choosing the winner right here. I don't know the date right now because I don't know when this will go live. So when the video goes up, I'll put the date on the screen, and I need you to get in touch with me within 10 days from that date, or I'll choose a secondary winner. And unfortunately, I can only mail it to someone within the United States. I'm sorry about that. I have so many viewers that I love outside the United States, but I just can't afford to mail things outside. I'm so sorry. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this, that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.